Good morning to all of you. I Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from JEC Kukas. Today we are here to discuss the topic. The today's topic is GVF and RVF, which comes under the section of non-uniform flow. Now let's start the topic. Before discussing GVF and RVF, we will understand non-uniform flow. So non-uniform flow we can define as that type of flow in which the flow characteristics like depth of flow, width, cross section area changes with respect to length of channel. Non-uniform flow are of two types: GVF. GVF means gradually varied flow, in which if the depth of flow in a channel changes gradually over a long length of channel, then that type of flow is called GVF. And in RVF, if the depth of flow in a channel changes abruptly over a small length of channel, then the flow is said to be rapidly varied flow. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोलिक जंप. तो GVF का मतलब ये हो कि जो डेप्थ ऑफ फ्लो है हमारा हाइट, वो आपका काफ़ी धीरे धीरे चेंज होता है फॉर ए लॉन्ग लेंथ ऑफ चैनल के लिए, लाइक फ्लड फ्लो. और RVF में इसमें क्या होता है, जो डेप्थ ऑफ फ्लो और हाइट है वो सडनली चेंज करता है फॉर ए वेरी स्मॉल लेंथ ऑफ चैनल के लिए, इसीलिए उसको बोलेंगे रैपिडली वेरिड फ्लो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. इन दिस स्लाइड we have to discuss about the various topics like critical flow, subcritical flow, supercritical flow and alternate depth. Now critical flow. Critical flow means the flow at which the specific energy is minimum. जिस पॉइंट पे स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी सबसे कम होगा उसे हम बोलेंगे क्रिटिकल फ्लो. और यू कैन से द फ्लो corresponds to the critical depth, that is called critical flow. It is denoted by VC. VC means critical velocity. It is the square root of the product of acceleration due to gravity g and critical depth, that is SC. Or in another way it can be written as VC upon square root of GSC, which is known as Froude number denoted by FE. So for critical flow के लिए Froude number will be 1. Now subcritical flow are also known as streaming flow and or tranquil flow. In subcritical flow, Froude number will be less than 1. Or in another way, if the depth of flow is greater than the critical depth, मतलब depth of flow का मतलब हो गया h अगर हमारा SC से ज़्यादा होगा तो उसको बोलेंगे subcritical flow. ठीक है. Now supercritical flow are also known as shooting flow or torrential flow. Okay. Now in supercritical flow, Froude number will be ग्रेटर देन 1. इस केस में क्या है, जब हमारा डेप्थ ऑफ फ्लो अगर लेस देन क्रिटिकल डेप्थ होगा दैट इज नोन एज सुपर क्रिटिकल फ्लो. ओके. नाउ अल्टरनेट डेप्थ बेसिकली मीन्स द अदर डेप्थ रिलेटेड corresponding to critical depth. It can be understood by the help of figure. That suppose in x-axis E is given, E means specific energy. In y-axis H is given, H means specific depth. The curve is specific energy curve. Now specific energy curve, as we have discussed earlier, it is the combination of two curves. The first curve passing through the origin makes an angle 45 degree with the x-axis, and the second curve is a parabola curve which is decreasing when the specific energy maximum is increasing. Now we have 3 points in a specific energy curve denoted by ACB. The 3 points are C, G and H. Point C corresponds to critical depth where the specific energy is minimum, and point H denoted by H2, and point G where the depth is H1. Hence the two alternate depths means H1 and H2. H1 is greater than critical depth as we are seeing in the figure, and H2 which is greater than critical depth. Okay. Now in this slide we have to discuss the condition for maximum discharge for a given value of E. E stands for specific energy. Okay. Now किस पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी के वैल्यू के लिए मैक्सिमम डिस्चार्ज का कंडीशन क्या होगा, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. नाउ एज वी नो, स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी एट एनी सेक्शन ऑफ ए चैनल इज गिवन बाय E is equal to H plus V square upon 2G, where V means mean velocity of the flow. It will be the ratio of discharge and area. Discharge denoted by Q and area denoted by A, where A will be the product of unit of, width of channel, that is B, and depth of flow, that is H. Okay, if we put the value of V, that is Q upon B into H in the equation, we will get E is equal to H plus Q that is this one. E is equal to H plus Q square upon 2G B square H square. Now after calculation we will get the value of discharge, that is B is equal to square root of 2G EH minus HQ. Now from this equation we have to calculate the maximum discharge. So for maximum discharge the whole expression will be should be maximum, that is D upon DH EH square minus HQ equal to 0. After calculation we will get the value like this one, where E is equal to 3 by 2 H. H stands for critical depth, H stands for depth, E stands for minimum specific energy. Now as we have discussed earlier that the minimum specific energy will be 3 by 2 SC, where H is replaced by SC, SC is critical depth, and E is replaced by E minimum, that is minimum specific energy. So the condition for maximum discharge will be E is equal to 3 by 2 H. Okay. Now in next slide we have to discuss hydraulic jump. Hydraulic jump, as we have discussed earlier, hydraulic jump is also known as standing wave. It is the example of RVF, rapidly varied flow. Now it can be understandable by the help of this, as we have zooming. So consider the flow of water over a dam, as seen in figure. We have a dam, this one is the dam. Consider the flow of over a dam, the height of water at section. We have the two sections, that is first one and this one is the second one section. At section 1, as seen in the figure, the depth is small, and as we going downward the depth is increasing. Okay. Now shooting flow. Shooting flow is basically means unstable type of flow. Okay. Shooting flow means unstable type of flow. At section 1 we are getting the supercritical flow, that is unstable, and in section 2 we are getting the subcritical flow, that is stable one. Okay, so shooting flow is unstable and doesn't continue on downstream. Then this shooting will convert itself into a streaming flow where the depth is increasing at section 2. So this sudden increase of depth of water is called hydraulic jump. Now we can define as the rise of water level which takes place the rise of water level will, this one is the definition, the rise of water level which takes place due to the transformation of unstable shooting flow into the stable one. When the hydraulic jump takes place, there is a loss of energy, and this type of loss of energy basically of due to eddy formation and turbulence flow. Now in the next slide we have to derive an expression for the depth of hydraulic jump. Means we have to calculate the depth. Now before calculating we have to assume something. The first one is flow is uniform and pressure distribution is only due to hydrostatic. Second one is losses due to friction will be negligible. Third one is slope of bed is small so that the component is negligible. Now as seen in figure, this one is a figure. Consider a hydraulic jump formed in a channel of horizontal bed. We have two sections 1 and 2. Before and after hydraulic jump, first one denote the section before jump and the second one is after the jump. Now in section 1, D1, V1 and Z1 bar, and in section 2, D2, V2 and Z2 bar. D1 stands for depth of flow, V1 velocity of flow, Z1 bar depth of centroid of area at section 1 and A1 cross section area. Similarly for case 2, D2, V2, Z2 bar and A2. Suppose we are taking the width of channel will be 1. The net force, the various types of forces acting. The first one is pressure force P1 at section 1, this one. At section 1 pressure force P1, at section 2 pressure force P2. The third one is frictional force. Now let as we have discussed, small q means discharge per unit width. That one, that is equal to the product of V1 D1 and it should be equal to V2 D2. Now comes to next slide. Now intensity of pressure at section 1 P1 is equal to rho G A1 Z1. This one, P1 is equal to rho G D1 square upon 2. And similarly, intensity of pressure at section 2 will be rho G D2 square upon 2. Now the net force will be, net force between section 1 and 2 will be the difference of P2 minus P2 and P1. That is after calculation it comes, which is shown by the equation 2, rho G upon 2 D2 square minus D1 square. Okay. As we know from the momentum equation, the net force acting on the mass of fluid must be equal to the rate of change of momentum in the same section. Therefore, rate of change of momentum will be the product of mass and change of velocity. The mass of water per second will be rho q, meter cube per second, and the change of velocity will be v1 minus v2. Therefore, the rate of change will be denoted by equation 3, rho q v1 minus v2. According to momentum equation, equation 2 and equation 3 will be equal. After calculation, we are getting the equation number 4, that is this one. Equation number 4 will be d2 plus d1 is equal to 2q square upon g dot d1 d2. Multiply both sides by d2, we will get the equation denoted by equation number 5, that is this one. d2 square plus d1 d2 minus 2q square upon g d1. We shows a quadratic equation in the variable of d2. Hence we have two equation, hence we have two roots, that is d1 and d2. So d2, as we have to solve the value of d1 and d2 by the Sridharacharya method, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have to put the value only, the two roots, then finally will be this one. Suppose the first root is minus d1 upon 2 plus square root of d1 square upon 4 plus 2q square upon g d1, and the second roots will be minus d1 by 2 minus square root of d1 square by 4 plus 2q g d1. As second root is not possible, this one is not possible as it gives the negative depth. Therefore the final depth value will be this one, that is minus d upon 2 plus under root d square upon 4 plus 2q square upon g d1. After solving, we are getting the value, that is minus d1 upon 2 plus square root of d1 square upon 4 plus 2 v1 square d1 upon g. Hence finally we are getting the value, that is depth of hydraulic jump, denoted this one. Depth of hydraulic jump will be d2 minus d1. So you have to remember the value of depth of jump, and that will be equal to d2 minus d1 upon 2. Okay, so I think everyone got it, this topic. So thanks and have a good day.